Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to another tutorial of Android development for beginner series, and in this video we will be learn a little bit about constraint layout. So let's start. First of all, you have to open your activity underscore main xml file from this section, or you can open your activity underscore main file from this section. This is your choice. So now this is our editor that is provided by Android. So you can see that search button. If you want to search any element, if you want to select randomly, you can select from buttons, different type of buttons, radio groups, radio buttons, and from layouts there are different types of layouts are available. Now we are learning about constraint layout, but in the future videos we will also learn about linear layout, frame layout, and the relative layout. That is the most important. So constraint layout is the more easy to use, and this is flexible. You can create flex layout by using constraint layout. Now you can see that you can also search let I want to search a button, so you have to type here BUTTON. So you can see that image button, radio button, and all the buttons that are available in our code editor are appeared. So let's cross it, and this is a common section, and all the common attributes, all the common views that are used in our videos, these views are used. So these views are in this section. So now in this video we will learn that how to set an image in our application by using constraint layout. So let's start. So first of all, minimize this from this minus signs. If you want to show it again, you have to only click on this build button, so it will be show again. So now I did not need this at this point, so I minimize it, and now our working area is better than before. So first of all, you can see that there is an image tag, so you have to drag and drop this tag in this section. And first of all, you have to do the most important thing is you have to go to your PC and copy an image. Let I copy this, press Ctrl C, and again go to your Android Studio, and you have to paste your image in this section drawable folder. So you have to right click on the drawable folder and click on the paste button. So you can see that you did not select the V24, you have to select on drawable, only drawable. So you have to click the OK button, and you can give any name like Cubic Soul, and I did not change the extension here, I have only changed the name. So press the OK button. So track the drawable folder. You can see that our cubicsole.jpeg file is in our drawable folder. Now we will use this image to our application. So you have to drag the image view and drop this in this section, and from there you can see that it asks us the resource, the link. So you have to click on project, and you have to select this image. These are the images that are provided, that are already in our project folder, because these are the images that is used in our application icon by default. When you will run this application on your mobile phone, you can see that your application icon will be rounded and of this type, so IC launcher. So this is the image that we have been pasted in our drawable folder. So you have to click on this and press OK button. Now you can see that our image have been appeared. So first of all, you can see that it shows me an error. It shows that you did not have constrained your image. So first of all, I will constrain it from top side and from left side, from top side, and this is from left side. So you can see that our error have been gone. So if you want to change the width and height of your image, so you have to do is give the width like 200 dp and also the height 200 dp. Press enter. You can see that the height and width of our image now at this moment is 200 dp. So I drag and drop this section. So if you want to manually add this margin from top and from left, you can give that margin in this section. You can see that in the constraint widget section it will 40 dp. So if you want to change is like 20 dp, press enter. You can see that, sorry, it is 0 dp, 20 dp, 20, only 20, sorry. So you can see that now it is 20, it have 20 dp margin from top, and if you want to give 100 dp margin from left, so you have to only type here 100, press enter button. So you can see that you must have constraint your image button or text view or anything from two sides. One is from vertical section and one is from horizontal section. So then your view did not will be at the same position. Let if you did not constrain this from this section, and you did not constrain your image from this left corner. So when you run your application, your image will be have margin 20 dp from top, but your image will move at absolute 0 point, I mean fully left side. So you must have give at least two constraints, one left and one from top. So now I am giving to another constraint and I will drag this. You can also move your image from this section. You can see that it is moving about right side and now it is moving about left side, because we have given 100 dp from left side. If I press it 0 and press enter, and now if you I moving my image, you can see that my image have been moved on and have 60 dp margin from top, and you can move your image from horizontally from this bar. So now I want to tell you another thing. If you want to constrain it bottom, you can use this plus button. When you click this, you can see that it automatically bottom at the last, but I did not want this, so I remove this constraint. You can remove your constraint, and I clicked on the right, and this clear constraints of selection, it have remove all the constraints. So I again click my constraints by myself again. So now you can see that our image have been set, and now if I want to type about my name, I have to drag a text view from the top and paste it in this section. First of all, zoom this, and now you have to constrain this from the top, and you can see that when I drag it to the down, it automatically set the default margin like now 40 dp. So now I will constrain it from left side and also constrain it from the right side. Sorry, it did not set. I try again. That's it. You can see that now I want to change the text name, so I have to click. You have to select the text view, and you have to go this text section and change the name of this text view to cubic soul. Press enter. You can see that its name has been changed. Now if you want to change its size, you have to use this text size property like 20 sp. Press enter. You can see that now it is bigger than before. And if you want to change the text color, you have to click on this section and you can select color from this. You can see that these are default colors. You can select this. Let I select blue. Our text color is blue now, and that's it. Now our application is looking good. So let's run our application and see what happened. So click on the run button or type shift plus F10. It will take a little bit time. Don't worry, because Android emulator is very high. It takes 2 GB RAM in your PC. So guys, you can see that our application have been start, and this is the image that we have been set, and this is the name of the image that we have been set. So I hope that you must enjoy this tutorial. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can ask us in the comment section, or you can directly WhatsApp us. WhatsApp number is given at the end of this video. So thanks for watching, and remember us in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.